I don't know how to cut. Clearly, can someone help me? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Up and welcome back to Sarah Up TV. And today I'm going to get a new hairstyle. My last haircut is already grown out and I need to change. I need to do something different and I'm thinking about getting a side cut, side cuts on both sides, or a complete undercut and create like a bowl cut out of it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try today. I hope you guys stay with me. Yeah, I asked my followers on Instagram what I should do first, if I should start cutting or bleaching first, and you guys said I should start cutting. So that's why I went to the drugstore right away and got me this one. I've got this brown shaver. This is the only one they had. It was not the only one, but this is the only one that was also able to cut hair, not just beards. Let's just start. So let's start with the side cut first because it's easier for me to shave the sides. If I'm not happy with the side cut, I'm going to shave it all off in the back also. But first let's start with the side cut. Should I wet my hair before? When they wet, they are easier to handle actually. Yeah, I should wet them before. And I start with left, right, with the right side. How should I do this? How should I shape this behind my ear? Okay, yeah. Actually, the guard is way too long. What is this? I need it shorter. What's this? It's so long. I don't know how to part this part. Pretty cool, but I have to part it again and new. I mean, this is just too messy to part. Okay, we shaved something. Wait. I don't know how to cut. Clearly, can someone help me? Okay. So when this, I mean, at least it looks cool. I'm actually very stressed out already. This is hard enough, I swear this is so hard. This looks cool. Yeah, this is a perfect apocalypse hairstyle. It is, it is, it is. Okay, on the other side. Let's see how it turned out completely together. Whatever. Okay, this side is, yeah, it's totally uneven. No. Okay, let's hide this. On this side I made a real cool gradient. On this side I've just it up. I don't know. And I don't know how I fucked up. Anyways, let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is very cool. This side is way cooler than this side, but it's very cool shaved off. It's very okay. You can't actually see nothing when it's down, 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 down. Guys. And when it's up, it's like this. But I don't like it. It has to be more. Actually, I'm not ready. I don't feel ready yet. Okay. This is off. Let's style this. So I just shaved my sides and a little bit down on my neck, just a little bit. I don't know guys, today is not a good hair day for me. So far so good. Honestly guys, this time was very stressing out for me. This was very hard for me because I didn't know how to part my hair in sections with short hair. I need somewhat practice definitely. Yeah, but so far I like it. I wanted to go in a mohawk direction and let's see what I'm going to do next time. I mean, I like this contrast between this shaved part and this short haircut that looking like a business haircut. Yes, I really like it and enjoy it. We are coming to an end. I think next time I'm going to shave a little bit more, or I'm going to bleach. I'm doing votings on my Instagram and asking you for your advice or opinions about upcoming hairstyles for me. So please join in if you want to on my Instagram, Sarah. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my video, and leave me a like and click the notification bell. That's all I want to say. Stay safe, guys, and we see each other next week. But I think I'm actually not sure. I'm switching between bowl cut and mohawk. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do.